Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to review an outfit which I've ordered from the FirstCry app. This is from the brand Crayonflakes. So I have ordered it in the size 2 to 3 years. It is a navy blue color, long sleeve top with ruffle details and a small bow at the front and floral printed plazos. It features a wide waistband with a decorative fabric belt tied into a bow. The overall design is vibrant and playful, suitable for casual or semi-casual occasions. Please subscribe my channel. See you soon in the next video. Bye.